It's not fair. She never listens to anything I say. Oh, Peppa. That'll turn her into sticky cheese. You're not the chipping cheddar witch.
Of course I'm not. That's just a story.
But I've seen her. Come on.
But-
I'm too scared to go by myself. And we've got to catch her before she turns everyone into stinky cheese.
But I was going to see Angelina.
Angelina's busy. Come on.
Okay.